In Homabay County, former Nairobi Governor Dr. Evans Kidero, accompanied by 10 lawyers led by Senior Counsel Julie Soweto, arrived at the Homabay High Court for pre-trial conference in a case they have filed challenging the win by Gladys Wanga to become the second county boss.
Yes, Counsel. Good morning, Counsel.
In his petition, Kidero is seeking the scrutiny of the election materials, a recount of votes, and to be declared the winner should the court confirm and agree with his demands. Justice Roslyn Aburili will listen and determine the case. Governor Gladys Wanga has set a defense team led by Counsel Frederick Orego.
The hearing will continue on 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th of December 2022. For the parties, you have already submitted your evidence, so the court will rely on that evidence plus the authorities and the persuasions that will be received from both sides of the divide. So you do not have to be afraid of anything. You are before a court of competent jurisdiction and a court of integrity.
In Busia County, the pre-trial hearing of the case challenging the victory of Busia Governor Dr. Paul Otuoma kicked off today at Busia Law Courts. The former Busia gubernatorial candidate on NC ticket, Sagwa Bunyasi, through lead counsel Katwa Kigen, has petitioned the election of Dr. Otuoma on grounds that it was marred by massive irregularities. Bunyasi is pleading as asked the court for scrutiny and recount of the votes, nullify the victory of Dr. Otuoma, and call for a fresh election.
Mahakama ituruhusu sihesabiwe upya. Kuchunguza hizo ballots na kuhesabu upya. Hiyo ndio maombi ambayo tunayo. Na wakikubali na tukiwa kwamba tuna tuna evidence ya kutosha, nadhani mahakama itakubali ombi letu kwamba matokeo itupiliwe mbali na kura rudiwe na tupate gavana ambao wananchi wa Busia wataamua upya.
Dr. Otuoma's defense team will be led by Siaya Governor James Orengo. Orengo has asked presiding Judge Justice David Kenei to listen to the case physically as opposed to virtual hearing that is riddled with network challenges. Elsewhere in Wajir County, Fatuma Abdi Jeho now wants petition filed against her dismissed for lack of service. The petition challenging her election was filed by former Wajir woman representative Fatuma Gedi Ali. The women representative claims that the petitioner failed to pay security for the cost as required by the law.
The current MP, county MP for Wajir, was not served with the petition, and we came for directions, and Justice Gitari directed that we appear on Friday next week at 3 p.m. to argue our application to have that petition dismissed.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has ruled that the Senate has powers to summon governors to answer any questions or provide any requisite information on both nationally allocated revenue and locally generated funds. Joel Chacha, K24 TV, Nairobi.